Hi! In this video, we'll explore the DLP supports in MIRApro. Let's dive in. Load the desired parts by clicking on Import Parts. Check for errors on the selected parts by clicking on Update Status. Now let's proceed to Supports tab to apply supports, one part at a time. Select the support profile based on the part type. To make changes in the profile, click on Customize. Once the parameters have been checked or updated, click on Save. Click on Anchor Points. This will generate a cluster of touch points on the overhang region where supports should be added based on the set parameters. Click on Beam Supports for automatic support generation. Supports are fully editable even after they are generated. Once the supports are good to go, click on Merge Supports to combine the supports and part. Supports once merged cannot be edited further. Choose the next part to apply supports and proceed to Supports tab. Choose the pendant support profile and customize the parameters if required. After reviewing and saving the parameters, apply anchor points. Once the anchor points are applied, we now review in the sectional view to ensure that all overhang regions and isolated islands have been properly supported. Since this pendant has many inaccessible overhang regions, we apply tree supports. Users can toggle between tree, part-to-part supports, or other support types using the selection tools in the left tab. It is now possible for users to modify the top, mid, and bottom attributes of the selected supports by adjusting the parameters in the left tab and clicking on Apply to selected supports. Click on Merge Supports to combine the supports and part together. Finally, select the chain to apply supports. Yellow sign indicates the presence of multiple shells. To fix the part, open the Shell Repair tab. Remove potential noise shells by clicking on Remove Noise. The file is now fully repaired and comprises of a single shell with no holes. Now let's proceed to Supports tab to apply supports. Choose the chain support profile and customize the parameters if required. Apply anchor points. Notice that the touch points uniformly span the overhang region. Click on Tree Supports. The top, middle, and bottom attributes of the selected supports are now changed once again by adjusting the parameters in the left pane and selecting Apply to selected supports. Now we select the lower supports by holding on Ctrl and left mouse click. By dragging left to right, we can select supports, and dragging right to left, we can deselect the unwanted ones. We change the selected supports to beam support, since they offer more strength. This is in contrast to tree supports, which offer more accessibility to overhang regions. To provide greater strength and stability, the part is supported by ground supports and tree supports. Check if the part-to-part supports are accessible for post-processing. In case they are not, delete them. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you to better understand our DLP supports.